Well, welcome to another video. Today I got for you more cards from Digimon Time Stranger. In this video I got for you 7 packs. Let's see what we got in pack number 1. In pack number 1, we start with Ikakumon, then Locomon, Gatomon, Wainamon, Sunamon, Vadamon, Growlmon, Unique Emblem, Blazing Conductor, Kalmaramon, Central Town Throne Room, Revivemon, followed up by 7th Gravitation. Pack 2 of the video. We start with Kokatarumon, Sunamon, Vadamon, Gulamon, Weregarurumon, Wainamon, Hisayarumon, Ogremon, Invasion of the Titans, Dimetromon, Rei Katsura, followed up by 7th Gravitation. Skull Satamon, Kyokomon, Hyosciarumon, Growlmon, Medicmon, Greymon, Protecmon, Whalemon, Temple of Beginnings, Sonic Shot, Oryorumon, followed up by Megadramon. Next we got Ukamon, then Karamon, X-Antibody, Abyss Sanctuary Throne Room, Goblimon, Kokaturimon, Medicmon, Garurumon, Skullgreymon, Fugamon, Submarimon, Rei Katsura, followed up by 7th Gravitation. I think I put a lot of 7th Gravitations in these packs. Alright. Protecmon, Locomon, Parrotmon, Sunamon, Docmon, Demidevimon, Weregarurumon, Hackmon, Central Town Throne Room, Biomon, Megadramon, followed up by Divermon. Alright, last 2 packs of this video. First we start with Goblimon, Karamon X Antibody, Metal Greymon, Docmon, Kokatomorimon, Protectmon, Kyokyomon, Invasion of the Titans, Dimetramon, Submarimon, Radiamon, followed up by Medusamon. Alright, last pack of the video. Alright, first we'll start with Goblimon, Karamon X Antibody, Abyss Sanctuary Throne Room, Pippomon, Cyclonemon, Kamemon, Wainamon, Temple of Beginnings, Unique Emblem Blazing Conductor, Skull Balochamon, The In-Between Theater, and SR Neptunemon. Alright. That was the only SR we got in this video. Thank you all for watching. Hope to see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.